Nabigay po ba ng confirmation days before na-approve na ang CC mo? Okay, let's talk about yung aking recent BPI kasi ito yung may pinaka-latest na update na meron ako. Okay, so nung nag-apply ako sa BPI, hindi ko na siya masyadong matandaan, kasi sobrang many times na rin ako nag-attempt dyan sa BPI, and also na-mention ko rin last time na meron din akong mga na-disapprove dyan na application before. So, October 2, nag-text sa akin si BPI, "Congratulations, your BPI credit card has been approved. Your card will be delivered to your billing address within 15 working days. For inquiries, call 889-10000. Okay, fast forward, the next day, nag-text ulit si BPI. Welcome to BPI Credit Cards. We aim to deliver your BPI credit card in 3 banking days for NCR and 5 days for provincial areas. Actually pala, September 29, nag-text din siya na, "Thank you for applying for a BPI credit card, and due to high volume of applications, your credit card application is still queued for processing." And nagsisend din siya ng monitoring tracking number so you can monitor your credit card. Pero I didn't have the time to do that. And na-deliver siya sa akin noong October 7, 2025. So, sinulat niya rin dito kung sino yung nag-receive ng card kasi I didn't personally receive it. So, ayun lang. Ganun lang siya kabilis from approval to delivery. Pero iba-iba yan hindi lahat ng credit card companies ganyan. And also, ayun nga, iba-iba yung style nila. Yung iba, ayaw magpa-receive kapag hindi nila kakilala or sa mailbox mo lang siya ipapalagay. In my case kasi, katrabaho ko naman din yung nag-receive nun. And andun din siya sa sinabi kong address. So, ayun. I think nagpa-send pala sila sa akin ng ID para payagan yung kawork ko na mag-receive. So, yun lang.